I don't understand why they just let anyone just come inside here and visit this place. Hey guys, welcome back. We are here in Angeles City. We just came out from Manila. We are doing a road trip up to Baguio City, and we just decided to just drop by here, just look around the place here, and after that get on into the car and go up to Baguio, continue up. So yeah, road trip guys. We're gonna go up to Baguio and explore some of the sites there, so stick around. This is Brown here, Alex in front, and Leslie. Here at the walkway, guys, at the walking street. There's really strip clubs all around here, guys. Just girls just hanging out on the street waiting for people to come pick them up. There's even a lot of foreigners here. Yeah guys, we are here in the 7-Eleven. Get few snacks, drinks, beverage, whatever, and we're gonna continue on with the road trip up to Baguio. Hey, where's Brian and Alex? We're still waiting for Brian and Alex. They probably got all by the ladies over there. I'm just joking, guys. Yeah. You see they're coming at the back. He's our ride. We are continuing on with the road trip. Hey guys, so we just arrived here in La Union. I hope I said it right. We took the freeway. It was really good. The freeway was really good. It took us, the estimated time here was about, what the other guys told me is about 8 hours. But that's now, we took about less than 3 hours to reach here. Alex is busy with his phone there. Bro, how was it, bro?
It was good. It was the traffic was good. There was no traffic there.
How was it, bro?
Hello.
How was it?
It was stressful, the road. But
Yeah.
the highway from Angeles to Baguio was very nice, the skyway.
The freeway.
If you go the normal way, it would take 8 hours.
Yeah.
It took us
less than 3 hours to reach
less than
here.
3 hours from.
No, we are not in Baguio yet, but I'm here to grab some coffee, guys. Coffee. Hello, man. Coffee, how much? We don't know where we're gonna stop again, so stick around, guys. We might stop anytime, anywhere on the road, get something else on our way up. Woo! We are somewhere here now, guys. You see, Baguio City is just up ahead. We can actually see the city view of Baguio up here from where we are standing. We just parked on in front of a gas station. Damn. And we just arrived in Baguio, guys. We are now at Patron, and we're trying to go to 7-Eleven, get something to eat. It's about 3 a.m. now. Yeah, I think we're the first tourists or first people to visit here, first guest. Currently there's no one here. There's only people working, I think, came here to open the area. But yeah, I think we're the first tourists to arrive here. Okay guys, so we just came in here. We came into the gate and we thought we were gonna pay a gate fee, but they told us that it's free. So we are already inside the area now. Let's go check it out. You see there's pine trees here. You can see us up there. There's pine trees all over the place. It kind of reminds me of the islands of Papua New Guinea. We have that in Papua New Guinea, especially the islands. There's some flowers here. I don't know what. Bro, you know in Papua New Guinea, this one during on islands, Simbu.
Yeah, Simbu.
They were autis and the kids will hold it on the side of the road.
They call it
What's that?
everlasting flower. I don't know.
Yeah, it lasts for so long.
Yeah.
So that's why they call it everlasting. Look at the view. Look at the view there. The mountain ranges. Come, let's go. Come. Look, the mountain sunrise in the back. The mountain range. Okay, so probably this place was a copper mine before. Probably this place down here. It was a copper mine before. Busy spot with observation deck for scenic views of town and abandoned gold and copper mines. I don't know, abandoned. Probably this place somewhere around here, because that's an abandoned gold and copper mine before, but I'm not really sure. That's a landslide there. Abandoned mining area here, copper and gold mine. There's a landslide there. There's some houses. You see houses all over the place here. Anyway, guys, we are done here. We just watched the sunrise, guys. We're gonna go find another place to explore. So there's a horse.
Yeah.
Damn.
White horse.
Hello, what's your name? We're gonna pick any of this to wear and try taking some photos with it. You look good, bro. Huh?
I look good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You look good.
Wait, is that complete? Not yet.
What's the name of this costume, sir?
Caldera costume.
Caldera. Caldera.
Yeah.
This is a indigenous costume, right? Traditional indigenous costume. Well, kind of.
Another one? Igorot costume.
Ah. Sir here just told us that it's Igorot costume. It's a traditional costume here. It's going up to 6. So yeah, that's the entrance to Baguio Park. I'm actually planning to go and check out the strawberry farm, one of the strawberry farms. There's a lot of strawberry farms here. I googled it and I saw there's like 3 or 4 different strawberry farms here. So once you step out from the park, you have these souvenir stores right outside the park, guys. Right outside the park, as you can see, different gifts here. Look, key tags. You have key tags. You have this fan here. Some other things up there. Bro, you getting anything?
Yeah, I already got my Baguio shirt.
Cool.
Baguio,
Yeah, guys, look.
Baguio.
I just got myself a shirt here.
Baguio.
Cool, eh?
This one, sir. This one.
Oh yeah, it fits.
This is one.
300 meters, turn left to stay on Mexico Avenue.
We're heading to the strawberry farm. So guys, we are here now at the strawberry farm. Look behind me, that's the strawberry farm. We're still trying to make our way inside, but we still don't know the entrance. What's your name, bro?
Stobal.
Stopal. Okay, so Stopal here just tried to give me this strawberry ice cream sample to taste.
Less sugar, sir.
Did you do that? You did that?
Yes.
Wow. Less sugar.
Honeybee, sir.
It tastes really natural. I can get off.
One ice cream, sir. Strawberry.
Oh yeah, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
How does it taste, bro?
It tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah. I'll get turkey first.
No? Oh, this guy want to get some ice cream. Okay, ice cream.
Three taste po.
Look, 30 pesos for this
Strawberry
ice cream here.
free
But
taste.
it really tastes good. Tastes natural.
Less sugar.
Yeah,
Less sugar.
less sugar. There's really less sugar. Anyway, we're just gonna go to the entrance and see if they can let us go into the area here. Check out the strawberries.
The one plate.
This 5 for 100.
Okay, 5 for 100.
Lunar pa table, one per lunar pa table.
We thought that this place is not. You have to get like permission or visitor's pass to enter this place right here, but they said it's free. It's free for anyone to visit. So we're going in right now, guys. There's mud all over the place, but it's okay. I'm not a spoiled kid, guys. I'm not a spoiled kid. I grew up back at home in the village, so don't judge me, okay? But anyway, we are inside the new nurseries. Lettuce there. It's good. The ones on the other side are brand. No, it's already ready. I think it's already ready for harvest. all grown up. I don't understand why they just let anyone just come inside here and visit this place. Probably no one, there hasn't been any cases of people trying to steal vegetables or strawberries from here. That's why. These are actually lettuce. Look how it's been planted. Amazing, guys. But yeah, there's lettuce and also broccoli here. I know, spring onion. Sir.
Hello sir, good morning.
You're working? What's that? Lettuce? Lettuce?
Yeah.
Strawberry?
No, lettuce.
Ah, nice. Camera battery just ran out, guys. See, I've been filming since last night, so we've been on the road. I haven't get the chance to charge this thing, but I'm using my phone now. Sorry about the quality, but look at this place. I think this, like, the whole area is not owned by one person. I think it's owned by different people, but they have like plots. This place is really beautiful. Guys, agree with me?
Yeah,
Baguio is really beautiful.
we agree. Totally agree.
The city looks clean, and also the farm area, it's really organized.
And the color of the house, it's different.
Look at this whole plot. Look at this whole area. Hello, ma'am. Strawberry jam, right?
Yes. Strawberry.
3 for 100?
Yeah.
Wow.
3.
Put that jam back.
Put the jam. This 3 jam back. I'll get 3 of these. 3 for 100. This is really cheap. Also with strawberry jam. So we bought 1 bottle of strawberry wine. 1 bottle of brandy, 6 bottles of jam, strawberry jam, and 3 peanut butter. Bottle of peanut butter.